I'm gonna dye my hair today, and yeah, because I'm in my bathroom, and I've got this Hello Bubble blue one. It's the whale deep blue, and yeah, it's the Jisoo one. And yeah, because I did this with my friend literally 2 days ago, and it turned out really well. And so I thought I'd give it a try because my hair's really brown, but I've bleached like the inner part. I'm doing that like the split dye thing with the half up, half down thing. So I'm gonna try this and hopefully it goes well, because I just want a deep, like a darker color rather than this like brassy brown. So the kit comes with this is like the kit for the pump, and then it comes with the gloves and the plastic that goes over your shoulders so you don't make a mess on your clothes. It also comes with the solution. This is the first one. The second one, you pour these two into here, and then we shake it slowly, and then it comes with this 3-minute yeah, and then it comes with this 3-minute perfect hair mask that's gonna help your hair. I think it's gonna be dead, but I like using this, the Hello Bubble, because for some reason it makes your hair a lot softer. And I realized that this is one of these, just like magic oil. They call it magic oil, so it like makes your hair miraculously like soft. Yes, I'm gonna take some before and after shots just so like I can show you guys the before and after. Okay, so first of all, I'm actually gonna grab some eye wrap, and I'm gonna wrap it around my ears just because I got my ears pierced last week. I got my 3rd piercing last week, and I do not want it to get infected or anything. Now that I've done that, so we're gonna pour this number 1 and number 3 into here. Okay, so once you've poured both of those two in, and then you just go from side to side like 20 times, I think it said. And then, yeah, don't shake it though, because it's not to shake it. So I've got the plastic on, and I'm just got the gloves on. So we're gonna start now, and I'm just gonna start applying this to my hair. I'll apply this all over my hair. There's no really technique to do it. You just make sure it's like everywhere, and yeah, I kind of got really messy with that. But yeah, so now I'm gonna leave it on for half an hour, and then I'm gonna wash it out, and hopefully it goes well. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in a moment. I'm so tempted to wrap this up like I did in my last video. And I probably will do that because my friends are gonna laugh at me, but it's okay. Because you gotta do what you gotta do. So I will wrap myself looking like an egg, and I'll see you guys back in half an hour. Hello, so I have washed my hair. I can't speak. So yeah, it's kind of dark now. Definitely the top part, the brown part is definitely darker now, and I can see the blueness under here, especially like here. I don't know if you can see. I think I might show you guys tomorrow morning, because it will be brighter. I did use the hair mask it came with, and it makes your hair really, really soft, but I also use the same like hair oil from this brand. And yeah, I use the same hair oil from this brand, and it's like works wonders for your hair, especially for like damaged hair. I'm just gonna put like 3 bumps in my hair and just like come through it and let it kind of air dry, because I don't want to apply more heat onto it. But so far I think it did work pretty well. Like, it's pretty dark, which I really like, because it's been a while since I've had dark hair. Hey guys, so I thought I'd do a hair review right now because it's quite sunny right now. And yeah, so my hair is actually quite difficult to see like in the dark. Not in the dark, but like off camera. it's more vibrant in person, but like so it is definitely like this dark navy color. It's like this really dark blue, and in terms of like that brown bit that I had before on the top, it's like this really ashy dark brown now. I'd say it's not like completely black, but it's like it's really dark, which I actually really like because I wanted dark hair. The blue just looks like this. It's on my bleached parts, which is why it's like more vibrant. Yeah, and then from the back, let's see. So overall I do recommend this hair dye because it does turn up very well on bleached hair. Yes, I just thought it'd probably pop up. I mean, it'd probably show up on this and it'd also darken the top color, which is what I wanted. So right now I'm really satisfied with my hair because it's like the ideal hair that I wanted. But yes, so definitely give this a go and tell me how it goes in the comments or something, I don't know. But yes, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe everyone, bye. Hey guys, so this is 2 weeks later after I filmed that clip. I just thought I'd give an update on my hair, on what it's turned out like. So far it's actually still really blue, except like parts that are close to like my like head is like, it's starting to fade. Like this part's a little yellow, the top part is like that, and then like it's getting a little more brown I'd say, but like the ends of my hair, since they were lighter, like the brown part is still like quite dark. But like overall it's still pretty blue after 2 weeks, but it depends on how often you wash your hair as well. But yeah, that's just a quick update. I'm gonna finally upload this video, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys try this out, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Stay safe everyone, bye.